Hello, and how's everybody doing? This is the destruction of Hurricane Ida around the New Orleans and in the New Orleans area. Hurricane Ida is causing destruction in four different states: Louisiana, some parts of Mississippi, some parts of Alabama, as well as Florida. The people down in New Orleans have received the worst. They have no electricity and no running water. But it seems that people that actually hurt or died has not been in great numbers. There's only one reported death so far. Hopefully, people that are affected by Hurricane Ida will be safe until they are rescued.